Central Bureau of Investigation busted a racket of travel agents by arresting two more recruiting agents for the involvement in the human trafficking network that pushed Indians into the Russia-Ukraine war zone. The CBI has arrested 4 people so far, including a contractual translator in the Russian Defense Ministry for the alleged involvement in the human trafficking network. The agency arrested 2 recruiters, Arun and Yesudas Jr., also known as Priyan, while the other 2 accused, Nigel Joby Benson, a contractual employee in Russian Defense Ministry, and Anthony Michael, a resident of Mumbai, were arrested on April 24th. The arrests are part of an ongoing investigation into a major human trafficking network that came to light on March 6, 2024. Let's tell you that the network, operated nationwide, was luring Indian youth with opportunities in Russia, but pushed them in the Russia-Ukraine war zone after confiscating their passports. Let me take that point across to my colleague Jayalakshmi, who joins us live. Jayalakshmi, good morning. Of course, significant development as far as action taken by the central agency is concerned. But with these arrests, what do we know about them so far? And more importantly, putting things into perspective as to how huge this racket is.
Certainly these youths who were promised false job opportunities in the country of Russia, and then they were abducted from here, and then their passports are seized, and then they are sent for the Russia-Ukraine war. That is the major human trafficking that has been going on since a while, and the details of which was exactly exposed on March 6th this year. And in fact, 2 people who have been arrested are from the state of Kerala and resident of Thiruvananthapuram. They have been arrested and in Delhi yesterday, and they are being questioned right now today. And for also the people who are the other people out of the 20-25 people who have been named in the FIR that has been released yesterday. The other people also, there are certain other accused who are from the state of Kerala, and in fact these people who have been arrested yesterday will be questioned today, and further details will be out.
Right, Jayalakshmi. Thank you very much for putting things into perspective as to what we're picking up in the latest as far as this is concerned. But for the moment, let's leave it at that. Let's shift our focus now